neck, deep throat like a white goose.
Yeah. Spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. Mosh pit, mosh pit, mosh pit, mosh pit. Yeah. Wrap 'em up, hold 'em up for hostage. Wrap 'em up, wrap 'em up.
What's going on, YouTube? It's Akil's back again with another
video.
And in today's video, we're gonna talk about top releases for 2017. Again, these are my opinions. Some of these I own, and some of these I don't own. There's a lot of sneakers in here. A lot of them are retro ones, so if you don't like that, you can make your own video of your top 17 or top 10 or top 1 sneakers, and then just make one on YouTube and put that up. But these are just mine. So without further ado, all right, let's get into it. Number 17 is the Air Max 97s. Yes, the Air Max 97s, released back in 97. They came out, 20 years later. The OG colorway, the metallic gray ones, are number 17 for my top 17. Coming in at 16 is the old school Van Low with the checkerboard. I also own a pair. You can check out the video that I made unboxing it from Zappos. But those are number 16 on my list. Now number 15 is an Adidas shoe, and that's the Ultra Boost Gray Wool 3.0s that I also made a video on. You could catch all the links to that, but that's number 15. Coming in number 14 is the Aaliyah Jordan 1s, and those are just pretty much a satin shadow one. It's not really satin, there's a lot of corduroy and some other kind of material on there, but that's number 14. Number 13, I do own this pair, but the All-Star ones, this colorway right here, I also own that. That's number 13. So coming in at number 12 is the Core. This is the first Yeezys that's on my list, but it's the Core White Yeezys. It could really go with everything, and those came out I think in February of 2017, so early in the year. And I do own a pair of those as well. So the Core Black V2s, or Core White. It's Core White or Core Black, whatever it is. But you see the picture. That's number 12. Got those for retail, hashtag retail boys. So that was number 12. Number 11 is the Royal ones. Simple shoe, came back. It came out in 2013, and I always wanted a pair, and I never got until 2017. And I wasn't gonna pay like $700 that they want for it. But retail boys again, got it for retail $160, shipped and everything. Shout out to the plug, you know who you are. And that's number 11. So top 10 is the Beluga 2.0s. It's darker than the Beluga 1.0s. That's why I kind of like it better. But that was also Bay's first pair of Yeezys. At number 9, it is Off-White, and it's the Off-White Air Max 90s. Caught an L. Doesn't really matter though. But it's just a dope shoe. Very iconic. Air Max 90s, can't go wrong. And then they did a collaboration with Off-White. So that's the number 9. Number 8 and number 7 are pretty much the same shoe but different colors. But coming in at number 8 is the gray Cause Force. I'm not gonna talk about the shoe. Great quality, everything else is great on the shoe. I love the color. So coming in at number 7 is the black Cause Force. And a lot of people didn't put this on their list because it wasn't a sample of family and friends, but I bet if it was a family and friends and they had it, they would have put like top 3. But that's top 10 for me, and is a number 7 because it just goes with more than the gray ones. And shout out to Chris, he actually has that pair. He got it for retail, so hashtag retail boys. So coming to number 6 is the Off-White Air Force Ones. Not the first one, but the second one they released at Complex Con with the little orange tag on the swoosh, with that like the metallic gray swoosh. That's number 6, and those are way better than the first Off-White Air Force Ones that came out, the low ones. And number 5 is the Zebras V2 Yeezy V2s. Got those as well. So that was number 5. Number 4 has to be the top 3 Jordan 1s that released this year. Complex Con exclusive, they say, but it wasn't supposed to release next year. But it did have a release date for this year, and it was it's just a gray. It's just a black, white, and gold patent leather ones. Both shoes are like different colors or whatever. But that's number 4. Coming in at number 3 is the Off-White Prestos. Right here, I love that shoe. I will acquire that shoe, but I will not pay the $1,000 that they want me to. Won't do that. Coming in at number 2. Number 2 is the Rust Pink Jordan 1s. I know it came out in Miami, and I couldn't get a pair. I thought they were just gonna be, you know, released for like the public, everyone, but they didn't. General release, but they weren't a general release. I wish they were a general release. It should have been fire, because I really like them. They go for like $800. I ain't spending $800 on those shoes. But when I originally saw the BMXer on Instagram, like doing a bunny hop with them, I fell in love. I was like, damn, I really want those and everything. And coming in at number 1 is the Disney Converse. I'm just playing. Coming in at number 1 is the Off-White Jordan 1s, the Chicagos. If you don't know what those are, you just been under a rock or something like that. But those are the ones that I want. Those are my favorite sneakers of 2017. If I had the bread, I'll just spend, you know, $1,400 on those shoes and actually wear them. But the Off-White Jordan 1s are my top shoe of 2017. I will acquire a pair, like I said about the Prestos, but I will acquire the Jordan 1s as well. I will not go broke for buying those, but I wish I had them. I struck out on Nike, I struck out everywhere. Had my girl make another Nike account for us, and she couldn't get them either. I'm kind of still salty about that. But as soon as I get those shoes, I will put them on the channel and you guys will see. Damn, it's bright as hell. But again, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Happy New Year's.
New Year resolution. We gotta be the winners cause the rest is losing. I told them get money, that's the best solution. When you do, wear your rocket like you rest in Houston.